Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by plugging your guitar into a quality audio interface and connecting it to your Mac. Once done, open Garageband and pick the electric guitar project so patching is correct from the start. Make sure to choose the interface as the input device and enable monitoring so you can hear latency immediately. Adjust the input gain slowly. You want a healthy level without red clipping. This ensures clean tone capture and prevents digital distortion that ruins later processing. Next, sculpt your electric guitar tone inside GarageBand by selecting an amp and then tweaking the EQ and cabinet options for the character you want. Once you have a bass sound, add stomp box effects like compression and mild overdrive to control dynamics and texture. Use a send bus for reverb or delay to keep the dry signal intact. When satisfied, create a new track and record with the metronome engaged. If you hear latency, switch to low latency mode to keep timing accurate while tracking. Finish by editing and comping your best takes. Trim regions, add fades, and use a noise gate to eliminate buzz between phrases. Then mix by balancing levels, panning doubled tracks for width, and applying subtle mastering EQ and a limiter so peaks stay controlled. Export your final file as WAV or AIF for best quality, or MP3 for sharing. If you run into clicks, dropouts, or high latency, make sure to check buffer size, sample rate mismatch, and update your audio interface drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.